In today's vlog, we're taking the train to the Frankfurt Christmas market in Birmingham. With free parking, we're going from Alfchurch station, and with the family in tow, we're going from platform 2. Half an hour or so later, we arrived at Grand Central Birmingham. Taking the exit by Ozzy the Bull, we were moments away from the Christmas market. The plan was to first head up the top half of New Street towards Victoria Square. Most of the action is in the square, including live music, drink and food. Food here is plentiful, whether you're after something savoury or sweet. And if you have the stomach for it afterwards, you can always have a ride on the nearby carousel. Close by, we recommend you grab a picture by the giant baubles at Chamberlain Square. From here, we made our way towards the Symphony Hall. Here you can have a go at the indoor ice rink, plus there's a big wheel to take advantage of the city views. Our route took us back to Victoria Square. We then ventured down the rest of New Street, taking in its rows of festive stalls. Once past the Odeon, we retraced our steps for a short while before heading up Temple Street towards Cathedral Square. This area also had festive treats, including food and drink stalls and a very bright helter-skelter. This area seemed pleasantly quieter than the ongoings in New Street and Victoria Square. I felt Cathedral Square was a nice way to unwind before heading back to Grand Central and catching our train home. We hope you've enjoyed our festive tour of the Frankfurt Christmas market in Birmingham. Please feel free to subscribe and look out for more of our Christmas market vlogs.